Captain! Senor Colt!
See, what is it?
There's a call. I think it's from the big boss Shicky's people.
About time. Sure kept us waiting. Bring me the transponder snail.
Yes, sir, right away.
You hear that, big bro? We might get to team up with Shicky's crew. If this pans out, we'll be in the Grande Leagues, just you wait. Hey, big bro. Are those happy tears?
Sad tears. The saddest, Hermano Colt. I'm filled with a beautiful sorrow, and we...
Eh?
If Senor Shiki succeeds in the implementation of his odious machinations, the world will be drowned in a tidal wave of despair. See, when I imagine the thousands of wailing voices crying out in agony, I feel simply overwhelmingly sad.